Hey, this is Samantha here at RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you how you can cook any vegetable in the microwave. Well, before we dive into this recipe, I just wanted to suggest that you head over to RecipeThis.com. We've got more than 1,200 kitchen gadget recipes, including recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker, microwave, Ninja Foodi, and many others. We also have a free weekly newsletter, which you can find on the homepage of RecipeThis.com, or you can find it on RecipeThis.com/newsletter. And there you can get our best kitchen gadget recipes sent to your inbox every Friday morning. I'm talking here about steaming vegetables in the microwave. It's so easy, it's the fastest way to cook vegetables. They turn out absolutely perfect every single time, and it's perfect for lowering your energy bills because microwaves use the least out of all the different kitchen gadgets that you currently have at home. So what you need to actually cook vegetables in the microwave is pretty simple. The one we've got is this one. It comes with a lid, and then you can pull the bottom out like this as well. And then what you do is you add about a tablespoon's worth of liquid to the bottom of it, put it in like that, and then you throw in whichever vegetables you're cooking in it with the seasoning. Then the lid goes on, and then you microwave, and it's as simple as that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how this process works exactly to the letter using microwavable Brussels sprouts. By putting just over a tablespoon of water into the bottom of your steamer basket. Then add your steamer bottom, and then these are already prepped. Makes things even better. Then load them up into your steamer basket. Oh, there's a bad bit there. And then obviously double check for bad bits. And then you want to add in your seasonings. So we're going with salt, pepper, basil, and parsley. And then what I recommend you do then is use your hands to give them a good mix so that seasoning's getting a good coating. And then lastly, but not least, we want some butter on them, don't we? So butter or margarine, either will do perfectly. And then load it in on top, and then this means this butter or marge will then just melt into the Brussels sprouts, and it'll make them taste even better. And of course you can add a little bit extra when you're serving it. And then once you've done that, lid securely on, and then we can then load it into the microwave, and we're going with a cook time of 7 minutes. And then press start. And we've beeped. Oh, it's a bit hot. It's always like that when you first get it out of the microwave, so be careful. And then lid off, and then let the steam release. It always seems like there's so much of it. And now you're wanting them to be fork tender? And yes, they are. Perfect fork tender Brussels sprouts. So now, what do you want to do with your Brussels sprouts now? You might have already decided a use for them. Maybe you're doing some of our air fried frozen bacon to go with them. Or maybe you've got cheese sauce that you want to toss them in, such as our soup maker cheese sauce. Or maybe you just want them on a plate, getting things out of the steamer basket from the microwave. Always use one of these that's got the holes in it, because you've got that lot of water in the bottom, so you can't just pour it out like that, because you just end up with loads of water in your bowl. So, Brussels sprouts onto a plate. Oh, I love the colour of them. Such a lovely green. Then final 3. One more. There we go. So that's all the Brussels sprouts. Steamer basket out of the way. And then extra bit of salt. Extra little bit of basil. And then add a little bit more of this. And tell me in the comments which ones you prefer. Are you margarine, butter, a bit of both? Do you have a favourite spreadable? I'm using the Anchor lighter spread, but it's normally, I can't believe it's not butter light that I prefer. But you know, no matter what, look at how easily it's melting it, and it's just so delicious. So these are the sprouts. They've cooled down enough now so that I can give them a try. So let me find a bit that I like. Oh, this one looks like a good bit. Oh, perfect. And so is that one, because it's right at the bottom with the butter. Look at all that lovely butter. Isn't it gorgeous? So if you want a quick way to cook sprouts, nothing beats the microwave. Now you know how easy it is to cook any of your favourite vegetables in the microwave. We've demoed here with sprouts, but you could mix and match this. I love to do a mixture of carrots and swede, chopped and peeled together, steamed, and they're perfect to go on our air fryer frittata. You could do something simple like some courgette. You could do buttered spinach. The choice is just endless. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.